Most men think women remember them because of looks, money, or charm, but the truth is, a woman never forgets a man who touches her emotions in a way no one else can. It's not about what you give her, it's about how you make her feel. In this video, we're diving into the secrets of becoming truly unforgettable in a woman's mind. Stay with me until the end, because this could change your relationships forever. Number 1. Emotional impact, the key to her memory. Women are deeply emotional beings. While men often focus on logic, women remember feelings more than facts. You might say something nice, but what she remembers is how your words made her feel. So, if you want to be unforgettable, you must evoke strong, positive emotions. Make her laugh in a way no one else can. Comfort her in moments of doubt. Challenge her in ways that help her grow. These experiences burn you into her memory because they connect to her emotions. Number 2. The power of mystery and unpredictability. Ever wonder why women obsess over some men and completely forget others? One word: mystery. If you are too predictable, too available, she will get bored. But if you keep an element of surprise and intrigue, she will think about you even when you're not around. Don't reveal everything about yourself too soon. Keep your life interesting and full of surprises. Show her that there is always more to discover about you. Women love a man they can't completely figure out. The moment she feels like she knows everything about you, you become just another guy. Number 3. Make her feel special and understood. Most men make the mistake of treating all women the same, but the key to being unforgettable is making her feel like she's different from every other woman you've met. Women crave a deep emotional connection. If she feels like you truly understand her, she won't be able to let go of that feeling. Remember small details about her. Ask meaningful questions and truly listen. Make her feel heard, seen, and valued. When a woman feels understood by you in a way no one else has, she will constantly think about you. Number 4. Become the man she respects. Attraction fades without respect. If she doesn't respect you, she will forget you. Women admire men who are strong in character, driven by purpose, and confident in themselves. Have a clear vision for your life and work towards it relentlessly. Women are naturally drawn to men who are ambitious and passionate about their goals. Having direction makes you stand out. Set boundaries and stand by them, showing that you respect yourself. If you allow disrespect, she will lose admiration for you. Don't chase after her. Let her come to you by being naturally desirable. Women are intrigued by men who hold their own and don't need constant validation. A man who commands respect through his actions, values, and determination will always leave a lasting impression. Women never forget a man they admire. Number 5. Challenge her in a healthy way. Women don't want a man who just agrees with everything they say. They want someone who challenges them, pushes them, and makes them better. Call her out when she's wrong, but in a respectful and constructive way. Women respect men who have their own opinions and aren't afraid to voice them. Encourage her to grow and chase her dreams instead of settling for less. If she associates you with progress and self-improvement, she won't forget you. Have your own opinions and stand by them without fear. Confidence in your beliefs makes you memorable. When you bring intellectual and emotional depth into her life, she will be drawn to you in a way that's hard to forget. You'll become the man who made her think, change, and grow. Number 6. Leave her wanting more. This is one of the biggest secrets of being unforgettable. Don't give her everything at once. If you're too available, too predictable, or too eager, she won't value your presence as much. Instead, create a sense of longing. Be unpredictable. Sometimes be there, sometimes make her wonder. Take time for yourself and your goals. It shows independence. Let her feel your absence, even briefly, so she realizes your importance. When you give her space to miss you, she will begin to long for the moments you share. It's the absence, the moments where you aren't there, that create the strongest emotional connections. Absence doesn't mean disappearing completely, but rather leaving just enough space for her to miss you and appreciate you even more when you're around. If she never quite knows what you'll do next, she'll keep thinking about you. The more she wonders, the more unforgettable you become. Number 7. Create unique, unforgettable memories. A text message can be ignored. A memory lasts forever. Make your time together meaningful and different from the usual experiences. Plan spontaneous, fun experiences, something thrilling, new, and exciting. Create inside jokes, unique phrases, or songs that remind her of you. Do something unexpected that leaves a strong emotional mark. The brain remembers new, exciting moments more than anything else. If she associates you with adventure, excitement, and emotion, she'll never forget you. It's the unique moments, the memories that are so different from everyday experiences, that she will treasure forever. For example, plan a surprise outing or a moment that feels like a scene straight out of a movie. These are the things that she will replay in her mind over and over, and they'll leave a lasting impression. Number 8. The silent power of absence. Here's a secret most men don't understand. Your absence can be more powerful than your presence. If you're always around, she gets used to you. If you're always texting, she stops valuing your messages. But if you disappear at the right moments, she starts to wonder about you. Absence creates curiosity, and curiosity keeps you on her mind. She will relive memories, analyze past conversations, and feel drawn toward you even more. When you step back and give her the space to reflect, you make her think about you in a deeper, more meaningful way. It's not about playing games. It's about allowing her the opportunity to truly appreciate what you bring into her life. When you show up, she'll remember the value you provide, and when you're not around, she'll miss it. Number 9. Be consistently genuine. Authenticity is one of the most powerful ways to ensure a woman never forgets you. Women can quickly tell when someone is being fake, and they are naturally drawn to people who are real. Trying to impress her with exaggerated stories or pretending to be someone you're not will only take you so far. Instead, be unapologetically yourself. Share your true thoughts, passions, and dreams without hiding behind a facade. When you're genuine, you create a sense of trust and comfort that makes her feel safe and valued in your presence. Women appreciate men who are emotionally open and vulnerable without fear of judgment. Show her your flaws, your ambitions, your values, and your struggles, because these are the things that build an emotional connection that goes far beyond surface-level attraction. A woman who feels she's seeing the real, unfiltered you will begin to trust you more deeply and will find herself drawn to the authenticity that you exude. It's not about pretending to be someone you're not. It's about showing her who you truly are, flaws and all. Authenticity creates a bond that lasts because it resonates on a much deeper emotional level than any superficial act. To truly be unforgettable to a woman, it's about more than just charm or appearances. It's about emotional depth, respect, and consistency. Make her feel unique and special in ways no one else has. Keep an air of mystery, yet remain genuine. Create memories that stand out. Challenge her to be better, and respect her like no one else does. Balance presence and absence in a way that makes her realize your true value. When you do this, you won't just be remembered, you'll become someone she can't stop thinking about. You'll be the man she'll forever hold in her heart long after the last goodbye. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, leave a like, and drop a comment below sharing your thoughts. What's the one thing that has made you unforgettable to someone? Let's talk about it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.